Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by changing the hitting mode and input mapping so accidental check swings stop immediately. First, switch to zone or directional hitting to give you explicit control. Once done, remap the check swing or secondary swing control away from your main swing button so you don't press both by mistake. Then go into controller settings and raise the stick dead zone slightly, about 0. 0.5 to 0. 15, so tiny nudges don't trigger a check. Now move on to in-game practice to lock it in. You now build muscle memory and fine-tune settings. Spend 10 to 15 minutes in batting practice committing to the same release timing. Practice releasing swings cleanly so you stop starting then stopping. Make camera and timing assist adjustments to give clearer commit cues, zoom in or out, and toggle assists to see what reduces hesitation. Finally, lower stick sensitivity or switch between analog and digital hitting until the controller only registers intentional swing. You finish by locking in successful settings and checking for hardware issues. Save a custom control preset and validate it in both CPU and online games. Make small adjustments if timing differs. If accidental checks continue, reset controls to defaults, update your controller firmware, or test with a different controller to rule out hardware drift. As a gameplay habit, adopt a two-strike approach. Protect the zone and avoid starting then stopping late swings, and you'll see fewer check swings overall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.